The future of public transit, beyond connectivity to transformative community development. The future of public transit is not just about enhancing connectivity. It's about leveraging this essential urban infrastructure to foster community development, sustainability, and inclusivity. Public transit systems have traditionally been viewed as solutions to reduce traffic congestion, lower carbon emissions, and improve urban mobility. While these goals remain critical, it's time to broaden our perspective and recognize public transit as a catalyst for transformative community development. The potential of public transit extends far beyond moving people from point A to point B. It's about connecting individuals to opportunities, bridging gaps between different segments of the city, and fostering a sense of community. When planned with a holistic vision, public transit can contribute to the economic, social, and environmental vitality of urban areas. One of the most exciting trends in urban planning is the development of transit-oriented developments, TODs. TODs are vibrant, mixed-use communities built around transit stations. They're designed to be pedestrian-friendly, with residential, commercial, and recreational spaces within easy walking distance of public transit. The future of public transit is inextricably linked with technology. From real-time tracking apps to autonomous vehicles, technological advancements have the potential to revolutionize how we think about and use public transit. Innovations such as on-demand transit services can offer more flexible transportation options, particularly in areas with lower population densities where traditional fixed-route services may not be viable. Similarly, smart payment systems can make it easier for riders to access multiple modes of transit, simplifying the user experience and encouraging more people to choose public transportation. The future of public transit is bright, but realizing its full potential requires a shift in how we define it. It calls for a collaborative approach that brings together urban planners, transportation experts, environmentalists, business leaders, technology innovators, and most importantly, the community.